welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, we are talking about the series Umkhokha that was playing on Mzansi Magic on Sundays. The good news is that Umkhokha is coming back for season 2. Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, shared that information. Kodwa guys, angeke usaba series usuzoba telenovela or soapy like about Generation, The Legacy, Uzalo, Deep City, and many more that plays weekdays Monday to Friday. As usual, guys, abantu abayi nganxanye bengemanzi, abanye they are happy with all these changes, but abaningi they are failing to accept that. But Umkhokha worked very well with limited episode. Bishia ama viewers looking forward to the next episode. But again, with the telenovela, guys, it won't be the same. Telenovela have a tendency of losing the storyline or drag it forever. Let's check what people were saying on social media about this story. The first person said now they will drag the storyline. Nokwanda said, lol, but Chris will run out of creativity like he did with Isibaya. I don't see it working. Yes, be right in the Izangama season. Nomalungelo, surely Chris didn't learn the lesson from Isibaya. Ntomfuthi kuzobe kumoshekile. Chris did a great job. Lapaya, I guess the standard will drop. Nkosazane, best of luck them, best of luck to them. Sicela ingafani noZalo or the Queen. Nomkhosi, but we saw what caused Umkhokha in the end. Just like uZalo, the story was on the switched baby. So seku uZalo lo bani lolo. Umbali said uzovela ungabo sabamnandi engathi banganga umosha. Sompele mhlawumbe ungangcono kune Deep City. Yey yaze yabheda into. Uzanele uthe ngeke usabamnandi awulokhu uthi janti njenge hostel. So guys, yeah, I don't want to lie to you guys, but I share the same feeling with them. But again, we will see. So would you like to see it as or would you like to see it coming back as a series or as a telenovela? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Have a nice day. Bye.